Baby girl so young, but she thinks she's so grown. Feel like she could be on her own. So her mom kicked out her home. Walk around not wearing nothing. Placing the image that she is nothing. Chase the image of a bad bitch, but that is not real shit. That's not a real ass or a tit. You mad at yourself because your body's not like that. Man cussing out God because dudes ain't looking at you hard. Shaking ass on Facebook, trying to make new guys. Look, I promise you don't want that life of different men sleeping with you at night. Just because your body is right, not knowing what they have. You can end up dead behind some sex in the bed. Never paying attention to your mama rules, so you scream I fuck school.
So now you grown. What you gonna do with these? This look like some little hoochie mama stuff, girl. Where you get this mess from? I didn't buy this. Your friend what? What friend? Kayla. Kayla? Kayla who? I know you not talking about that little fast behind girl around that corner. Now you gonna get yourself in a world of trouble, girl. Oh, you gonna look at me like that? I pay these doggone bills around here, baby. As long as I pay these bills, you will not wear this trash. I promise you won't wear this trash.
I'ma get this money by fucking new dudes. So you sleeping with people, man, twice your age. Please look at yourself in your face. How can you disgrace your family like that? Talk to your mom like that when she the only one that had your back. It's time to change your lifestyle. You say you gon' do it tomorrow, nah, do it right now. I'm only trying to guide your life right because you know your lifestyle is not right. And you don't wanna live that life. You not just any old thing. You a princess turned into a queen. Man, believe that. You wanna change, I can see the change in your face. But it starts with your heart, you have what it takes. You wanna change, I can see the change in your face. But it starts with your heart, you have what it takes. You wanna change, I can see the change in your face. But it starts with your heart, you got what it takes. You wanna change, I can see the change in your face. But it starts with your heart, you got what it takes. I know you saying you live this lifestyle too long, and you can't go back to your mama home. Remember when you cussed out God? He never left you alone. He was always there, and yet he still cared. Go back to your mama home, because she's still there. And yet she still cares. She will still bring you back in, even though the pain that you brought her in. Remember, she will always have your back to your end. And them girls that you hang with are not your friend. They ain't even help you out the mess you was in. You got your two friends, God and your mom. They will be there to the end. So wipe those tears and step with the right foot in the new year. Don't even have no fear, because what the devil throw at you, remember God will block it and he will guide you through. You done changed now, look at yourself in the face. Guess what? I been knew you had what it takes. You done changed now, look at yourself in the face. Guess what? I been knew you had what it takes. You done changed now, look at yourself in the face. Guess what? I been knew you had what it takes. You done changed now, look at yourself in the face. Guess what? I been knew you had what it takes. If you feel like nobody is there for you, always remember that God is there for you. If you think nobody cares about you, remember that I care about you. Man, believe in yourself. Nobody believes in you, man. For real, look at me as your big brother. I'm just trying to guide you, man, give you some knowledge and wisdom. One love, stay strong, keep your head up. Better days gonna come.